Now children, we will begin chapter 11, that is
the pronoun.
Now open your book on page number 54. Read the following dialogues carefully. Mr. Amit, you are again late to work, the boss said angrily. I am sorry, sir, but my car broke down on the way, Amit replied nervously. In that case, your car deserves punishment. It will be kept locked in our office garage for a week, and you can commute to work by bus with your colleagues. Ask them, they are never late. The boss smiled acidly at him. Now children, have you seen the colored words like I, you, it, them, they, him, your? These all are the pronouns. So children, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words used in place of nouns like I, you, he, me, etc. He is a boy. You are late. So here children, we are not using the nouns, the names of the person, place, animal or thing. Now see the difference between noun and a pronoun. Sita plays well. In pronoun we can write she plays well. Kanpur is a beautiful city. It is a beautiful city. Lion is a wild animal. It is a wild animal. The knife is sharp. It is sharp. So children, have you noticed we are not using the naming words for the sentence. We are using the pronouns instead of the naming words. Now look here on page number 54. Read the following sentences. This is Mohan. Mohan is an intelligent boy. Mohan obeys his parents and teachers. Mohan goes to school daily. Everybody likes Mohan. Now children, in these sentences, have you noticed the word Mohan is repeated many times. So instead of using the same noun again and again, we can use the related pronoun in place of that word Mohan. Thus, the sentences can be written as this is Mohan. He is an intelligent boy. He obeys his parents and teachers. He goes to school daily. Everybody likes him. Now here we will not use everybody likes he. We will use everybody likes him. Okay. So in these sentences we have used he and him in place of Mohan. So these words are known as the personal pronouns. Now children, read the following sentences given on page number 55. I am Shubham. I am Shubham means मैं. Mohan gave me a book. मोहन ने मुझे बुक दी. This book is mine. ये बुक मेरी है. We are best friends. मैं और मोहन बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं. जब हम अपनी और दूसरे इंसान की बात करते हैं तो वी यूज़ वी. हम तब वी यूज़ करते हैं. आर क्लास टीचर स्कोल्डेड अस फॉर कमिंग लेट. आर क्लास टीचर्स मीन्स उसमें मैं भी इंक्लूड हूँ, यानी कि मेरी क्लास टीचर और हम सब की क्लास टीचर आप बोल सकते हैं. उन्होंने हमें डांट लगाई फॉर कमिंग लेट टू स्कूल. और अस में भी हम यानी कि मैं और बाकी. अस में भी हम इंक्लूड होते हैं. हम मीन्स मैं और मेरे साथ जो लोग हैं. दिस हाउस इज़ आर्स. मतलब ये हमारा घर है. हमारा मीन्स उसमें मैं भी शामिल हूँ. सो चिल्ड्रन, हैव यू नोटिस दैट आई, मी, माइन, वी, अस, आर्स आर द personal pronouns of the first person. Now children, first person is the person who is speaking. जो बोल रहा होता है वो कौन होता है? first person. ठीक है. Now read these sentences On page number 55, you are my friend. तुम मेरे friend हो. Can I sit next to you? क्या मैं तुम्हारे साथ बैठ सकता हूँ? This book is yours. ये तुम्हारी बुक है. Now you means तुम, yours means तुम्हारी. Now you have to choose the words according to the need of the sentence. Okay. So in the above sentences, you and yours are the personal pronouns of the second person. Now second person is the person spoken to, जिससे हम बोल रहे होते हैं. Now children, read the following sentences. He is doing his work. वह अपना काम कर रहा है. Now he is referred to a boy or a man, a male person. Next, we respect him for his honesty. Again, हम किसी और के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. This shirt is his. यह उसकी शर्ट है. She is cleaning her clothes. वह अपने कपड़े साफ कर रही है. I informed her about the accident. मैंने उसको इन्फॉर्म किया about the accident. Now here she and her is related to a female, a girl or a woman. And he, him, his are for the male, like boy, men. Now this pen is hers. ये उसका पेन है. Do it. यह करो. They are good citizens. Now we are talking about the persons जिसमें हम include नहीं हैं. जब we लिखते हैं तो we में हम खुद भी include होते हैं, और जब they लिखते हैं तो they में हम include नहीं होते हैं. जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, जो more than one person होता है, उसके बारे में हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? they are good citizens. Now the teacher gave them many prizes. टीचर ने उनको कई prizes दिए. These chairs are theirs. यह उनकी chairs हैं. Okay children. Now in these sentences, he, him, his is used for singular person in the male category. Okay. She, her, hers are used for the single female category. It is being used for the non-living thing. They, them and theirs is used for the category in the plurals, जिसमें हम खुद include नहीं होते हैं, are the personal pronouns of the third person. Third person is the person जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे होते हैं. So have you understood the difference? First person जो बोल रहा होता है, like me, आपकी टीचर बोल रही है, that means she is the first person. आपसे बोल रही है, talking to the student, then you are the second person. And if I talk to you about the parents, ठीक है, जैसे अगर मैं आपसे आपके पेरेंट्स के बारे में बात करूं, then they are the third person. Okay. Now look here in this table. Here is a table to remind you about the personal pronouns. First person, second person, third person. In first person, we will take I, me, mine, we, us, ours. In the second person, you and yours. Third person, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them, theirs. Children, always remember that the words my, our, your, his, her and their, when followed by a noun, are the possessive adjectives, like this is my pen. Okay. Now pronouns are my, our, your, his, her, their. ठीक है. अगर ये वाले pronouns के बाद अगर noun होती है, my के बाद अगर सिर्फ noun है, ये क्या माना जाता है? possessive adjective. possessive adjective means जिसमें हम अपनी possession शो कर रहे होते हैं कि ये चीज़ मेरी है. This is my pen. This is our house. This is your pen. Okay. Second, the word his can be used both as possessive adjective and the possessive pronoun. Example, this is his pen. Again, his is placed before a noun and is termed as a possessive adjective. And in the second sentence, this pen is his. Here we have used his after the noun. Okay. Third, the pronoun it is used to refer first a thing without life, that is a non-living thing, an animal, or a baby. Baby when we are not confirmed is it a boy or a girl.
Types of pronouns.
Now children, the next type of pronoun that we will study is demonstrative pronouns. Children, you have earlier read that this is my book, these are my books, that is my pen, those are my pens. Here, this, that, these and those are the demonstrative pronouns. Now, this and these are used for the people and things that are nearer to you. Okay, this is used for the singular and these are used for the plurals. And that and those are used for the people and things that are farther away from you, means that वो दूर होते हैं. ठीक है. That is used for the singular thing and those is used for the plurals. So what we have seen, that this and that refers to the singular demonstrative pronouns and these and those are called the plural demonstrative pronouns. When this, that, these and those are used in place of nouns, they are called the demonstrative pronouns. Now moving on to the next type of pronoun, that is interrogative pronouns. Read the following sentences children. What is your name? What means तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Which of them is the tallest? इनमें से कौन लंबा है? Who are you? तुम कौन हो? Whom are you talking to? तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Whose are these books? ये किसकी books है? Now children, what you have seen that here in the interrogative pronouns, the words that we used like what, which, who, whom and whose are the words that ask questions and are used in place of nouns. So they are known as the interrogative pronouns. Pronouns used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. Now moving on to the next type of pronoun, that is reflexive pronouns. Read the following sentences. The cat hurt itself. She looks at herself in the mirror. Whom does the cat hurt? Itself. उसने खुद के लगा ली. Whom does she look at in the mirror? वो किसको देख रही है? Herself. वो खुद को देख रही है. Understood? Now children, these sentences which shows the doer of the action is also the receiver of the action. Okay? In other words, the object of the verb refers to the same person, animal or thing for the subject, जिसमें subject और object दोनों similar हों. Okay? Like see, if I say I came with you. Okay, so here I is a first person which is a subject and you is a object that is a second person. Okay, so both are different. I means me, you means tum. Now if I say I came myself, now here see, I मैं, माई सेल्फ मैं।
अपने आप।
इधर दोनों चीज़ें सिमिलर हैं, सब्जेक्ट भी सेम है, ऑब्जेक्ट भी सेम है। सो जब ये दोनों चीज़ें सेम होती है देन इट इज़ नोन एज द रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस। वी डिड द वर्क आवरसेल्व्स, हमने ये काम खुद किया है। Here ourselves refers back to the subject we. Okay, pronouns which refer back to the same person, animal or thing as does the subject are called reflexive pronouns. Thus, itself, herself, ourselves are the reflexive pronouns in the above examples. She cooked herself. Okay, here the subject is also same and the object is also same. Now children, always remember that singular reflexive forms are myself, yourself, himself, herself and itself. Plural reflexive pronouns ourselves, yourselves, themselves. You must have read. Now if we remove F, we put VES for plurals. Now children, what we have understood in this chapter, the type of pronouns, the words that are used in place of a noun. If I say Ram is a boy, so in place of Ram we can use pronoun for a boy, he is a boy. We have seen types of pronouns in this. Personal pronouns, that is first person, second person and the third person. Demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these and those. Interrogative pronouns, asking questions, and the reflexive pronouns. Now children, I hope that you have understood the chapter very well.